In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your YouTube comments. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube mobile application. Then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and on the next step we need to find our YouTube comment in order to delete it. The easiest way to do so is tap right here at our channel's profile picture and then go to settings. Tap at manage all history. Then you will be taken to your Google account settings, and towards the top of the screen we need to tap at interactions. That's where we can easily find comment, likes and dislikes, or comments and replies. We can tap at comments in and replies. And then if we scroll down, it will show us all our comments that we've made from that particular Google account. If we would like to remove some comment, we can tap at that X icon. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, the comment has been deleted. That's how you can easily delete any of your YouTube comments.